Hello, I'm Kshitij Kumar. I'm part of MSc Cloud Computing January intake. My student ID number is 23408189. I will be going through my project for the ML Cloud Computing, Machine Learning Cloud Computing, which is a module of our semester 2. I will be showing you what is my contribution into the team project. So, in this project, we have decided to work upon a data set that's for AI, for AI job market, where we are predicting the salary based upon a lot of factors. So here I've applied, it's a regression issue. That's why I've applied a linear regression algorithm here. I will just take you through my code. After all the necessary imports and just going through some basics of the basic understanding, like checking all the null value and the duplicates value. I've created a pipeline that I have not dropped, but I have selected the columns where this pipeline, how this pipelines works is basically I have a column name. It's a list which basically contains all the categorical data name. I have applied one hot encoding over it. Then the numerical does not require any type of encoding, so I have simply passed it through. So as I have applied pass through here, then I've created the pipeline. So this is the pre-processing variable here. I've applied linear regression over it. And yeah, other than that, this was my R2, which was 0.84. Then I've created this pkl file. And after doing some minor analysis like actual versus predicted value, this was my scatter plot. And this red line is basically the actual salary, as it's a regression issue. Then ME, RM, SE, and R2 again here, just for some more detail about the model itself. Then I've also tested latency here. Let me let me help. Let me just go through all the uh, things. I'm just going to turn on the server here. Not the server. For I've deployed this completely on EC2, but just for the demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate you over my my local host. Predict what's the client. So this is my UI. I'm the sole maker of this UI and the complete backend. So here you get some degree of knowledge of what we are trying to create here for under this website. I've just done a small href for this button. It redirects you directly to the Kaggle dataset that we are using right now. So let me also help you go through. So this is the global AI job market salary trends of 2025. That's our dataset. Then if I go to test, how does this work actually? Instead of using static data, what I did, I just selected all the important stuff, all the columns that I'm using. I'm just asking user to use that. Just fill in the form. So let's say if I want to know about AI software engineer, and let's say I'm a mid-level person, if will be working on full time, and location is Ireland. So yep, Ireland, company's location, company is large. Employer location, I am also in Ireland right now. So I will just find Ireland. If yep, here we go. Then I want to completely work remotely. I have done my master's. Let's say I have experience of only 2 years, and I want to work in a technology industry. Benefit score is 10 because we want maximum benefits and linear regression. I will be applying here. So if I predict, it predicts my salary to be around 76,106.64 annually. So yeah, this is my project. If I just click here, you can see the UI and the deployment and everything has been done by myself. For the backend of this, let me also show you. This is a view. How does this work? Is this is for just for the front end. This is for the home. This is for the form. This is for the home. These two work just like that. I've used CSRF exempt reasoning. It's not a so it's not need to. It doesn't need anything like security at all. It does, but I have not added, and I wanted no login. I'm not added any login system or anything in there. So I wanted to be as clean and as accessible as possible. So here again, it just accepts all the necessary values, and based on my teammates model that they have applied themselves, I've also did some editing. So this is my case. So if the user selects algorithm, so here, if I just take you, if you select algorithm, if linear regression is getting selected, this is what API is going to. This is the switch case that API will hit. Yep, it's just going to load my pipeline and just load it using joblib, and then just predict it. The input DF is something that we are getting out of all the custom values, and yep, it gets the salary out of it, and then saves it in the prediction, and then we just return the prediction. We also are printing it on the terminal for the testing purposes. But yeah, here we just predict it, and the button text is basically for each the default R2 we have printed here to give an idea that how accurate it really is. For the form, you can just see that this is where button text is getting used, and for the prediction model, if I can just show you, yep, here you go. So this is a button. I've added a button because I wanted to add a lot more. But we have decided not to for now. We will be, but not right now. So yeah, that's it from my side. This is my project that I've created for machine learning and cloud computing.